Welcome to the Home of English. This is the part 1 of 100 very important idioms and phrases with meanings. This is only a revision of idioms and phrases. For detailed lessons, please watch all the previous lessons in the playlist of the Home of English. Subscribe and press the bell icon to get all updates and upcoming lessons. Let's start. To add insult to injury. First one is to add insult to injury, means to intensify a person. Second one, to be born with a silver spoon in one's mouth. To be born with a silver spoon in one's mouth. There is a printing mistake. To be born in a rich family. Here it is given. To be born in a rich family. That is, to be born with a silver spoon in one's mouth. To be born in a rich family. A bolt from the blue. A bolt from the blue means an unexpected disaster. Unexpected disaster is a bolt from the blue. To blow one's own trumpet. To blow one's own trumpet means to boast. To boast. A bone of contention. That means cause of quarrel. There is another idiom, an apple of discord. That also means cause of quarrel. An apple of discord or a bone of contention is cause of quarrel. To burn one's fingers. To burn one's fingers means to suffer. To burn one's fingers means to suffer. To beat black and blue. To beat black and blue means to beat mercilessly. To beat mercilessly. To beat black and blue. To cast an aspersion means to bring discredit. To bring discredit. That is, to cast an aspersion. To bring discredit. Next is to cry over spilt milk. To cry over spilt milk means to feel sorry for what has happened. To feel sorry for what has happened. To cut a sorry figure means to make a poor impression. To make a poor impression. That is, to cut a sorry figure. To die in harness. To die in harness means to die while doing one's duty or to die while in service. That is, to die in harness. To end in smoke. To end in smoke means to fail. To go to the dogs. To go to the dogs means to be ruined. To be ruined. That is, to go to the dogs. To hang in the balance. To hang in the balance means to remain undecided. To remain undecided. To hit the nail on the head. To hit the nail on the head means to do the right thing at the right time. To do the right thing at the right time. That is, to hit the nail on the head. To hold water. Hold water means to sound logical. To sound logical is to hold water. To leave no stone unturned. Here it is not leave, it is Leave. Leave. That means to leave no stone unturned means to try one's level best. To try one's level best is to leave no stone unturned. To live from hand to mouth. To live from hand to mouth means to live with great difficulty. To live from hand to mouth means to live with great difficulty. To make up one's mind means to decide. To make up one's mind means to decide. Next is to go to the dogs means to be ruined, that we have already discussed. To see eye to see with. To see eye to see. Sorry. To see eye to eye with is agree. To see eye to eye with means agree. Next, to play ducks and drakes. To play ducks and drakes means waste. To put the cart before the horse. There is an E. To put cart before the horse means to do a thing in a wrong way. To put cart before the horse is to do a thing in wrong way. Next, to have too many irons in the fire. To have too many irons in the fire means to have too many things in hand. To have too many things in hand. There is another idiom, that is have finger in every pie. Have finger in every pie. That also means to have too many things in hand. To read between the lines. To read between the lines means to try to understand the hidden meaning. Try to understand the hidden meaning. That is to read between the lines. To turn over a new leaf. To turn over a new leaf means to change for the better. To take the bull by horns. Take the bull by horns means to face difficulties boldly. To face difficulties boldly. To win laurels. To distinguish oneself. To win laurels means to distinguish oneself. At daggers drawn. At daggers drawn means at enmity or fighting. At enmity or at fighting. That is at daggers drawn. Black and white means in black and white means in return. In return form, that is in black and white. By leaps and bounds. By leaps and bounds means very fast or rapidly. In cold blood. In cold blood means deliberately. In cold blood means deliberately. Laid up with. Confined to bed. Laid up with means confined to bed. Ins and outs means full details. Ins and outs means full details. A cock and bull story. A cock and bull story means an absurd tale. A gala day. A gala day means a day of festivity, a holiday with rejoicing. A hard nut to crack. A hard nut to crack means a difficult person or problem to deal with. A turncoat. A turncoat is one who changes one's opinion or party. A turncoat. One who changes one's opinion or one who changes one's own party. A fool's paradise. Fool's paradise is in a state of happiness founded on vain hopes. A state of happiness founded on vain hopes is a fool's paradise. To beat a retreat. To beat a retreat means to retire from to retire before the enemy. To retire before the enemy, it is beat a retreat. To be on the horns of dilemma. To be on the horns of dilemma means to have a choice between two equal evils. To have a choice between two equal evils. To beat about the bush. To beat about the bush means approach a subject in a roundabout method. Approach a subject in a roundabout method or manner. That is to beat about the bush. Bury the hatchet. Bury the hatchet means to make peace or end a quarrel. To make peace or end a quarrel or dispute is bury the hatchet. By fits and starts. By fits and starts means irregularly. Irregularly. Capital punishment. Capital punishment is death imprisonment. Death sentence. Death penalty is capital punishment. By hook or by crook. By hook or by crook means by fair or foul means. By fair or foul means. That is by hook or by crook. To beat about the bush, already discussed. Eat humble pie. Eat humble pie is to face humiliation. Eat humble pie is to face humiliation. Hit below the belt. Hit below the belt means to act unfairly. An apple pie order. An apple pie order is in perfect order. In apple pie order means in perfect order. Leave one in lurch. Leave one in lurch is to desert in difficulty or leave someone at the time of difficulty. That is leave one in lurch. Next, to make a clean breast of. To make a clean breast of, it means to confess fully one's faults. To confess fully one's faults. The last one in this session, to nip the evil in the bud. To nip the evil in the bud means to destroy an evil in early stage. To destroy an evil in early stage. So these are the 52 idioms and phrases with meanings in this session. The coming session we will discuss 50 more. See you in the next lesson. Prepare well for the coming exams. Thank you.